After using this strategy, my Shopify app notification rang like this. And I made $15,000 in one day with $0 investment. This powerful strategy millionaires dropshippers already using. This method gives you sales just like magic. I promise you will definitely make sales with this strategy because this strategy is very powerful. I warning you, please don't skip this video. Basically, I contacted 10 influencers on Instagram asking them one question. Will you be my affiliate partner? An affiliate partner is someone that makes a percentage of every sale that you make. For example, if the product is $50 and the percent that the influencer agreed on is 50%, they would get $25 of every sale. You're probably wondering what do I say to them. Here's the exact script. Hello, my name is Charles Price and I'm Affiliate Partnership Manager at company name. I run across your IG page and all of the content you're posting. I thought I reached out to you. If you're interested in joining us for partnership program, we are one of the highest paying early partnerships programs at becoming our product. You'll receive 50% commissions on each sale. That's trolls. Of course, this wasn't all profit though. I got $6,000 in profit that day. So that's how. You must try this strategy. This is a very powerful advertising method. Go fast and start interacting with influencers and promote your products to millions of audiences for free and make big money.